welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. If your TP-Link router is showing a red light and your internet isn't working properly, this video will help you fix it. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple troubleshooting steps to identify the issue and get your connection back up and running. Let's get started and fix your router. Step 1. Power cycle the router and modem. This old trick still works wonders. Unplug your router and modem from the power for around 30 seconds. Then plug the modem back in first and wait for it to fully boot up. Only then should you reconnect the router. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches that cause the red light. Step 2. Check all cable connections. Make sure your WAN, internet, cable is snugly plugged into the router's WAN port and to your modem. If possible, swap out the Ethernet cables for a fresh one. Damaged cables are sneaky troublemakers. Step 3. Confirm your ISP service status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. A quick call or a look at your ISP service status page can confirm if there's an outage or maintenance going on. Step 4. Inspect router settings via web interface. Log into your router's admin page, usually at 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, to see if there are error messages or warnings. Check if the WAN connection status indicates disconnected or no IP. This might signal you need to update login info or reset certain parameters. Step 5. Update firmware. Outdated software can cause strange issues. Head over to the official support site to download the latest firmware for your model. Follow instructions carefully to avoid bricking your device. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If nothing works, press and hold the reset button on the back of your router for 10 seconds, usually requires a pin. This erases all personal settings, so keep your ISP info handy to set it up again. If you're not fix your TP-Link router red light issue or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.